This is my brand new Yamaha TW200. It has about 380 miles on it. I've only had it a little over 2 weeks. I've already added custom mirrors because I can see out the back. Added a Tusk tank rack, a phone mount, a mount for my Garmin, a USB mount, an Apache Harbor Freight pack on the back, a Tusk rear mount, an extended shifter, and special oversized foot pegs. Also added the hand guards to it, which have already come in handy, and the front mount. So far I love the bike. The first time out trying to use the camera with it to see how it goes.
Starting on Wirt Road and heading out over the mountain, and we'll end up down to Mont Alto, Pennsylvania. And in between, we'll have about 8 or 9 miles of dirt roads, and then we'll come back across with about another 8 or 9 miles. Total today, we'll do about 30 miles. Hope you enjoy it. I'm riding in southern Franklin County in Michaud State Forest on fire roads and dirt roads. You can go from almost the border of Maryland, Pennsylvania, clear up to almost Carlisle. A buddy and I did over 70 miles, and out of those 70 miles, only about 5 of them were on paved roads. It's a good system of trails, varying from well-maintained to some rougher areas, and there's some side roads where you can really get into some technical stuff. Great area to ride. Picked a beautiful day to ride. It was almost too hot. It's the first 90-degree day. This is June 12, 2025. We had had rainy weather for the last couple of weeks and slowly getting warmer, and they said we're going to hit 90 for the first time this year. Beautiful day. I go between trying to wear equipment that protects you versus fighting the heat. Today's a 90-degree day. I usually have a motorcycle jacket and pants with the armor on it and special boots, motorcycle boots. but being 90 degrees, I just could not stay cool in it, and was afraid about dehydrating or sweating so much. Yeah, it's a tough balance to balance safety equipment versus trying to be comfortable. If anybody has any ideas, let me know. I'm using the DJI Neo drone, which is an amazing little drone. It's one of their cheaper drones. I had a Mini 4, which was about a $900 drone. This is only $200 and some dollars. And you just put it in your hand and say, "Follow me." And it's done a good job. The few times I've used it, it still has several different modes on it I need to learn. But here I was doing probably about 20 miles an hour, and it stayed with me pretty good. I don't know how fast you can go. I didn't really try to lose it, but it does a pretty good job. Still a lot to learn. When I'm riding, especially by myself up in these mountains, I usually carry, as you can see, a handgun. I have a permit. I usually carry a knife, fire equipment, first aid kit, extra water, food, just in case you would get stranded up here. You may wait a long time, especially if you get off this fire road and get on some other roads. You very seldom see people, and I've run into a couple situations up here with people either partying or dumping illegally, and just never know what you're going to run into, so I like to be prepared. This is just a short video with an overview of one of my first outings with my Yamaha TW200. Love the bike. Still have my Honda 125, but this bike just has more power and feels more comfortable on the highway when you do have to get out and be with traffic. Just a great bike, still learning a lot about it, and met some guys to ride with, so hope to have a good summer and a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.